In this video, we will reconstruct a volcanic explosion that took place nearly 2,000 years ago in what are today the Italian cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum. We will be using the often demonstrated reaction of Coca-Cola and Mentos candy. But the difference between this video and other videos of Coke and Mentos, we will perform and explain the reaction while actually on Mount Vesuvius and from inside the once buried cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum. But first, a little background.
The city of Pompeii is located on the west coast of Italy at the mouth of the Sarno River. Pompeii was so well situated that in ancient times it was an excellent site for navigators to land, and it got much of its influence from nearby Greek colonies. In 80 BC, the Romans finally captured the city and named it Colonia Cornelia Veneria Pompeiana. It became inhabited by noble families made rich from agriculture as well as former slaves, known as freedmen. Under Augustus, Pompeii underwent significant urban development. The only episode that brought any real historic notice to Pompeiana was a serious riot that broke out between fans at the amphitheater during a gladiator event in 59 AD. That is, until 3 years later, when a premonitory sign of imminent doom when the city was shaken by an earthquake that caused major damage, still visible today. On August 24, 79 AD, Mount Vesuvius, which looms high over the cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum, exploded in a sudden, unexpected, devastating volcano eruption. Thought to be extinct, Mount Vesuvius exploded around noon. The massive eruption unleashed 800 years of pent-up energy, releasing a cloud of ash 20 kilometers into the air, and buried the cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum under 6 meters of ash, rock, and lava. Unfortunately for the residents of Pompeii, the wind blew south that day, by bad luck entombing its residents forever.
They remained this way, buried, until discovered by a local farmer 200 years ago, poking in his field with a stick, silently hiding tragic secrets of life, just as it was, frozen in time, the lost city of Pompeii. In this video, we will attempt to recreate the explosion of Mount Vesuvius in situ, from the Latin meaning on site, as well as within the actual ruins of Pompeii and Herculaneum. For the now infamous Coke and Mentos experiment, let's head live to Mount Vesuvius, where our on-site scientists will recreate the massive devastating eruption just as it happened 2,000 years ago. Except, this time, you are there.
I might get wet, but it's worth it.
And here is our volcano.
Explosion.
Get ready.
Why isn't it going? So, it didn't work. Was it the altitude?
Or was it because we used a can instead of a bottle with a funnel? Or something we haven't thought of yet. First, we're going to try with the can at sea level to see if the pressure makes a difference. So here we go again with our bigger volcano. This will hopefully wipe out more population. genuine Mentos trick works. The way it works is that when you drop a Mentos into a bottle of Coke, the little crevices on the Mentos absorb bubbles, and they form a physical reaction to cause the eruption. In the shadows of Vesuvius, here goes nothing. I might get wet, but it's worth it.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Bravo!
Ready? Here's the science experiment.